Hi guys, I'm going to show you a quick trick here on how to determine where a leak is coming from on your washer fluid reservoir. So here I've got my washer fluid reservoir for my vehicle. I've got it pulled from the vehicle and filled with water laying in the tub. And I'm going to show you here what I'm going to do to help determine where that leak is coming from that I can't seem to find, but I know is there. So here, let me show you what that is. So you can see here and I've got my washer fluid reservoir, and I've got it, like I said, filled with water. And I've got my thumb here plugging the hole where the water pump goes, so that way that the water doesn't come out the bottom. So it's full about to here. I said, you know, I've already had some water leak out, so but I do have the cap on. That's important. So it's a fully assembled, so that basically we can have our water pressure the way what we want here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take it, flip it upside down, and there's some water right now coming out the cap, just a little bit. That's okay. My thumb is still on the hole for the water pump. I'm going to release my thumb, and right here, as you can see, there's water coming out this spot right here. It's shooting out. There's still water coming out of the cap. That's fine, but I can clearly see there's a hole right here. I'll do it again. If I release my thumb is on it right now. If I release my thumb, right here, a bunch of water comes trickling out. It flows down over here as well, but it's clearly coming right from this spot. And earlier when I ran this the first time, when I had more water in there, I could really tell because it was shooting way out because there was more water pressure inside this tank. So this is a quick, easy way just to be able to tell where that leak is at, because once you release your thumb from that hole, that pressure comes in, it goes right to that leak spot. So depending on your case, you might have to orientate it like this, to really see that leak. My leak is right here, so it's at this spot on the reservoir. Depending on where your leak might be, you might have to turn it some different directions, but mine worked really well. Turning it upside down, boom, that leak appeared right there. So hopefully that video helps.